Kerala PSC Staff Nurse Grade 2. Questions and answers. Report is a form of dash communication. Option A, downward. Option B, upward. Option C, horizontal. Option D, informal. Report is a form of dash communication. Answer is option B, upward communication. How many doses of vitamin A is given to children below 6 years as per National Vitamin A Prophylaxis Program? Option A 7 doses, option B 8 doses, option C 9 doses, option D 12 doses. How many doses of vitamin A is given to the children below 6 years as per National Vitamin A Prophylaxis Program? Answer is option C 9 doses. Multipurpose Health Worker Program was started on the recommendation of Dash Committee. Option A, Qatar Singh Committee. Option B, Mukherjee Committee. Option C, Mudaliar Committee. Option D, Board Committee. Multipurpose Health Worker Program was started on the recommendation of Dash Committee. Answer is option A, Qatar Singh Committee. Headquarters of UNICEF is at option A, Geneva. Option B, New Delhi. Option C, Paris. Option D, New York. Headquarters of UNICEF is at, answer is option D, New York. Population coverage of community health center in hilly areas. Option A, 1 lakh. Option B, 80,000. Option C, 1,20,000. Option D, 30,000. Population coverage of community health center in hilly areas. Answer is option B, 80,000. A client electrolyte report shows that serum potassium level is 2.9 milliequivalent per liter. Which among the following is an ECG changes that can be expected? Options A, absent P wave. Option B, elevated T wave. Option C, prominent U waves. Option D, elevated ST segment. Answer is option C, prominent U waves. Druse's sign of latent tetany is a clinical test for which electrolyte abnormality? Option A, hyperkalemia. Option B, hypocalcemia. Option C, hypercalcemia. Option D, hyponatremia. Druse's sign of latent tetany is a clinical test for which electrolyte abnormality? Answer is option B, hypocalcemia. What type of acid-base imbalance is most likely to experience in patients with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD? Option A, metabolic alkalosis. Option B, metabolic acidosis. Option C, respiratory alkalosis. Option D, respiratory acidosis. Answer is option D, respiratory acidosis. What is the normal serum albumin value? Option A, 3.4 to 5.4 gram per deciliter. Option B, 6 to 8 gram per deciliter. Option C, 2.5 to 6.2 milligram per deciliter. Option D, 4.5 to 8 milligram per deciliter. What is the normal serum albumin value? Answer is option A, 3.4 to 5.4 gram per deciliter. HbA1c is a test for option A, anemia. Option B, average blood glucose level for past 3 months. Option C, hepatitis B antigen. Option D, hepatitis C antibody. HbA1c is a test for, answer is option B, average blood glucose level for past 3 months. Which among the following intravenous solution is a hypertonic solution? Option A, 5% dextrose in water. Option B, ringer lactate. Option C, 0.9 sodium chloride. Option D, 3% sodium chloride. Which among the following intravenous solution is a hypertonic solution? Answer is option D, 3% sodium chloride. Which maneuver is used to open airway during CPR in patient with suspecting spinal cord injury? A, neck flexed position. B, head tilt chin lift maneuver. C, jaw thrust maneuver. D, Heimlich maneuver. Which measure is used to open the airway during CPR in patient with suspecting spinal cord injury? Answer is option C, jaw thrust maneuver. Becker's triad is a collection of 3 medical signs associated with cardiac tamponade. It includes all except one of the following. Option A, decreased systolic BP. Option B, distended jugular vein. Option C, widened pulse pressure. Option C, muffled heart sound. Becker's triad is a collection of 3 medical signs associated with cardiac tamponade. It includes all except one of the following. Answer is option C, widened pulse pressure. PUVA therapy is used for the treatment of option A, psoriasis. Option B, pharyngeal. Option C, squamous cell carcinoma of skin. Option C, impetigo. PUVA therapy is used for the treatment of, answer is option A, psoriasis. In lower test scale of muscle strength assessment, grade 3, FAIR, indicate option A, active movement against full resistance. Option B, active movement on flat surface. Option C, flicker or trace of contraction. Option D, active movement against gravity. In lower test scale of muscle strength and assessment, grade 3 of FAIR, indicate, answer is option D, active movement against gravity. Which hormone deficiency causes anemia among patients with renal failure? Option A, erythropoietin. Option B, aldosterone. Option C, renin. Option D, ADH. Which hormone deficiency causes anemia among patients with renal failure? Answer is option A, erythropoietin. Desmopressin acetate DDAVP is prescribed for treatment of diabetic insipidus. Which among the following indicate client's therapeutic response to treatment? Option A, decreased blood pressure. Option B, urine output reduces. Option C, normal blood glucose level. Option D, decreased peripheral edema. Answer is option B, urine output reduces. What is the other name for Whipple's procedure? Option A, gastrojejunostomy. Option B, gastroduodenostomy. Option C, pancreatoduodenectomy. Option C, cholangiopancreatography. What is the other name for Whipple's procedure? Answer is option C, pancreatoduodenectomy. Which among the following is the most reliable cardiac isoenzyme used to diagnosis of myocardial infarction? Option A, AST. Option B, troponin T and I. Option C, myoglobin. Option D, CKMM. Answer is option B, troponin T and I. In a patient on mechanical prosthetic mitral heart valve, the recommended INR for anticoagulation therapy with warfarin is option A, 1, option B, 2, option C, 3, option D, 4. Answer is option C, 3. The most preferred site for intramuscular injection in children is option A, ventrogluteal. Option B, vastus lateralis. Option D, deltoid. Option D, dorsogluteal. The most preferred site for intramuscular injection in children is, answer is option B, vastus lateralis. Down syndrome is characterized by option A, trisomy 18. Option B, trisomy 13. Option C, trisomy 21. Option D, trisomy 81. Down syndrome is characterized by, answer is option C, trisomy 21. The stage which is known as ugly duckling stage is option A, school age. Option B, toddler. Option C, infancy. Option D, preschool age. The stage which is also known as ugly duckling stage is, answer is option A, school age. Wasted appearance with old man look is typical in option A, kwashiorkor. Option B, anemia. Option C, nephritis. Option D, marasmus. Wasted appearance with old man look is typical in, answer is option D, marasmus. A child is prescribed with the oral paracetamol 550 mg. The drug is available as a syrup containing 250 mg in 5 ml. Calculate the required amount. Option A, 13 ml. Option B, 11 ml. Option C, 10.5 ml. Option D, 9 ml. A child is prescribed with the oral paracetamol 550 mg. The drug is available as a syrup containing 250 mg in 5 ml. Calculate the required amount. Answer is option B, 11 ml. The voluntary blocking of distressing thoughts or feelings from one's awareness is option A, repression, option B, regression, option C, suppression, option D, sublimation. The voluntary blocking of distressing thoughts or feelings from one's awareness is, answer is option C, suppression. National Mental Health Program was launched by Government of India in option A, 1981, option B, 1985, option C, 1990, option D, 1982. National Mental Health Program was launched by Government of India in, answer is option D, 1982. The inability to recognize or describe one's emotion or mood is option A, alexithymia, option B, anhedonia, option C, apathy, option D, autism. The inability to recognize or describe one's emotion or mood is, answer is option A, alexithymia. Exaggerated concern over his bodily health is known as option A, obsession, option B, delusion, option C, hypochondriasis, option D, conversion. Exaggerated concern over his bodily health is known as, answer is option C, hypochondriasis. Writing or pictorial art whose sole aim is to arouse the sexual passions of the reader or viewer is called option A, pornography, option B, incest, option C, seduction, option D, promiscuity. Writing or pictorial art whose sole aim is to arouse the sexual passions of the reader or viewer is called, answer is option A, pornography. Melutherapy was developed by option A, Sigmund Freud, option B, Erikson, option C, Jean Piaget, option D, Maxwell Jones. Melutherapy was developed by, answer is option D, Maxwell Jones. An illusion of recognition in which a new situation is incorrectly regarded as a repetition of a previous memory is called option A, amnesia, option B, deja vu, option C, paramnesia, option D, dementia. An illusion of recognition in which a new situation is incorrectly regarded as a repetition of a previous memory is called, answer is option B, deja vu. Fear of stranger is option A, xenophobia, option B, zoophobia, option C, algophobia, option D, acrophobia. Fear of stranger is, answer is option A, xenophobia. In India, Mental Health Care Act was passed on option A, May 2014, option B, August 2013, option C, April 2013, option D, October 2014. In India, Mental Health Care Act was passed on, answer is option C, April 2013. Normal serum lithium level is option A, 0.8 to 1.2 milliequivalent per liter, option B, 0.4 to 2.0 milliequivalent per liter, option C, 0.2 to 2.0 milliequivalent per liter, option D, 2.0 to 2.5 milliequivalent per liter. Normal serum lithium level is, answer is option A, 0.8 to 1.2 milliequivalent per liter. Posterior fontanelle closed by option A, 18 weeks, option B, 10 weeks, option C, 6 weeks, option D, 8 weeks. Posterior fontanelle closed by, answer is option C, 6 weeks. Violet blue discoloration of the vaginal membrane is called option A, probable sign, option B, Heggar's sign, option C, Oslander's sign, option D, Jacquemus sign. Violet blue discoloration of the vaginal membrane is called, answer is option D, Jacquemus sign. Vitamin present in human colostrum that prevent a hemolytic anemia is option A, vitamin A, option B, vitamin C, option C, vitamin D, option D, vitamin E. The vitamin present in human colostrum that prevent hemolytic anemia is, answer is option D, vitamin E. inflammation of the breast tissue is known as? Option A, mastitis. Option B, engorgement. Option C, breast abscess. Option D, mastoiditis. Inflammation of the breast tissue is known as? Answer is option A, mastitis. Lanugo appears on dash weeks. Option A, 20 weeks. Option B, 24 weeks. Option C, 12 weeks. Option D, 16 weeks. Lanugo appears on dash weeks. Answer is option A, 20 weeks. Failure to achieve orgasm resulting from complete absence of sexual desire is known as? Option A, vaginismus. Option B, impotence. Option C, frigidity. Option D, ejaculatory. Answer is option C, frigidity. In phase presentation, the denominator is option A, mentum. Option B, occiput. Option C, acromion process. Option D, no denominator. In phase presentation, the denominator is, answer is option A, mentum. Suture present between two parietal bones. Option A, coronal suture. Option B, lumboid suture. Option C, sagittal suture. Option D, frontal suture. Suture present between two parietal bones. Answer is option C, sagittal suture. Number of arteries present in umbilical cord. Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 4. Option D, 4. Number of arteries present in umbilical cord. Answer is option B, 2. Primary PPH start within option A, first 24 hours. Option B, first 12 hours. Option C, first 48 hours. Option D, first 10 hours. Primary postpartum hemorrhage start within. Answer is option A, first 24 hours. Assessment of Apgar score is done within option A, 1 minute and 3 minutes. Option B, 1 minute and 5 minutes. Option C, 1 minute and 10 minutes. Option D, 1 minute and 7 minutes. Assessment of Apgar score is done within. Answer is option B, 1 minute and 5 minutes. Placenta having two complete and separate lobe, each with the umbilical vessels called. Option A, serum valentate placenta. Option B, sexenterate lobe of placenta. Option C, tripartite placenta. Option D, bipartite placenta. Placenta having two complete and separate lobes, each with the umbilical vessels called. Answer is option D, bipartite placenta. Using Nagel's rule for a client whose last menstrual period began on January 7, the nurse determined that the client's estimated date of childbirth is option A, October 7th, option B, September 7th, option C, September 14th, option D, October 14th. Answer is option D, October 14th. While performing abdominal palpation, which action would the nurse ask the client to perform to ensure optimal comfort and accuracy? Option A, breathe deeply for 1 minute. Option B, empty her bladder. Option D, drink a full glass of water. Option D, lie on her left side. Answer is option B, empty her bladder. One of the following is not a sign of placental separation. Option A, gush of blood. Option B, lengthening of umbilical cord. Option C, change in the shape of the uterus. Option D, increase in uterine size. One of the following is not a sign of placental separation. Answer is option D, increase in uterine size.